Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shoeboxed for scanning deductions automatically, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Shoeboxed website at shoeboxed.com. Locate the sign up button on the homepage. Click the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Shoeboxed. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, log into your Shoeboxed account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the Plans or Pricing section to view available subscription options. Select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Click on the chosen plan to proceed with the payment process. Enter your payment details, ensuring accuracy for a smooth transaction. Review the information to confirm everything is correct. Submit your payment to activate your subscription. After successful activation, return to your dashboard. Navigate to the Scan section to set up automatic scanning for deductions. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your bank accounts or upload receipts. Customize your scanning preferences to match your accounting needs. Save your settings to ensure deductions will be scanned automatically. Review additional resources and guides provided by Shoeboxed. Regularly check your dashboard for updates on scanned receipts and deductions. Start managing your expenses effectively with Shoeboxed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.